Previously on Daddy-Daughter Dinnertime.
Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Matthew Stanley. I'm back. Ellie K. Pipe of Joy. Tonight, what I'm planning on fixing for him, it's called a cold tomato summer vegetable soup. It is a parmesan crusted grilled cheese.
She squeezed tomato juice on me. It cheeked up.
Major audible here. Let's let that cook for a little bit. So here we are, we've got soup cooking. Gonna roll with the grilled cheese. This is some of the cheese that I picked up. Dubliner, Kerrygold Dubliner. I'm not even sure I'm pronouncing it right, but this cheese is really, I love it. It's really kind of sharp, and I love really strong cheeses. I've never had this Parmesan before, but it sounds pretty good to me. And Parmesan, I think, just sounds good anyway. Belgioioso. I'm sure I murdered that. I've been getting Dave's Killer Bread for a while now, and I just went with 21 whole grains today. I usually get the white done right, but rolled with this one.
Guys, I have 4 loose teeth.
Yes, 4 loose teeth. We'll get them out of there soon. We'll call your Uncle Logan to come yank them. So the first thing I'm gonna do is open this up and shred out some cheese to put on, the outer crust. So it's a little crusty. All right, so it says, grab the 2 loaves, just some Organic Valley salted butter. There's a part of me that almost hates saying all this stuff because I don't want, necessarily people to think that I'm that kind of person. Maybe I am. I'm not too granola, but I'm probably pretty granola. Sprinkle, get it all over, press it down, sprinkle some salt on there. Great stuff. This is a Dubliner. There's a sandwich. I opened it up. And over here is was going to be the gazpacho, but now it's just heated up veggie broth soup stuff. It smells incredible though. Hopefully it tastes incredible. That cheese on the inside, the Parmesan is melting, but the Dubliner hasn't melted some yet. I probably should have put more Parmesan on top of it. You can see in that corner there really isn't anything there, but my gosh, that smells great too. Not because I'm cooking it. So, all right, I cut it up into 4 squares so we can test it. The sandwich tastes good. I cut it up into 4 form. Wow, holy smokes, I did not expect that to taste as good as it does. I was saying I cut this up into 4s because I wanted them to taste it first, because I know, Piper doesn't particularly like really sharp cheeses, but I don't think it'll be that sharp to her. Hey, Pipe, come here. Come take a taste. Come take a bite. Tell me what you think, sweetie. Pull it. Oh! You don't like the cheese?
No.
You don't? No. What's wrong with it?
Too sharp.
Too sharp. What'd I tell you? Too sharp. Well, but other than that, what do you think of the bread? Is it good, crusty cheese?
I like bread.
All right. So, obviously, I nailed it on this one. For adults, it was pretty tasty. So in the soup, I'm actually really surprised at how well it tastes, and it tasted 10 million times, in my opinion, 10 million times better heated up. But I don't dig those soups. Here. Why not? So anyway, I think that's it for now, right? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna I'm gonna eat some and then cook you guys the rest of the stuff. So you want to do a happy eating
No.
from Daddy Daughter Dinner Time?
No.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, get over here. Happy eating from Daddy Daughter Dinner Time. You're letting me roll solo. What's up with that? One more time. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Happy eating from Daddy Daughter Dinner Time. And again, you're letting me roll solo. Anyway, happy eating from Daddy Daughter Dinner Time. Please leave us a comment below. Leave me instructions so I can kind of get a handle on, doing stuff like this. I hope you guys enjoy at least a little more than my girls did. And we'll see you next time. Peace. You want another bite?
No.
Come on.
The cheese
There's one.
is too soft.